Okay, so from 05 to 09 Mustang, 2000 5 to 09, you want to get them sequential tail lights, my bad. Sequential tail lights. Okay, it's gonna beep from 1, 2, and 3. See the cord right there? It's gonna look like this when you're done. You gotta put that in there. And the way you take it out, you just pull on this, pull it out like that. And then this plug right here, see it come like this, and it's numbered. From 1, 2, and 3, I got the numbers on it. So you put this inside of here, like that. Then the other side, you gotta pull on it. Like that. Then it's in there. And you take this plug this bad boy in here. Because you want to update your Mustang. So you be riding with the top down. You know what I'm saying? So what you want to do, you want to have some up-to-date lights. So let's get these bulbs in here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to turn your lights on to make sure all the bulbs are working, and turn your turning signal on. Then you're gonna put it in this order. It's gonna be 1, 2, and 3. And then this little box, you wanna tuck that. You're gonna tuck that down there in that crack right there. So hold on 1 second. So now you have it. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then this you gotta use you want to use an 11 wrench or a 7/16 for these little bolts. You got one bolt, you got 2, if you can see that other one right there, and then you got one up top. So it's 3 bolts you got to remove. And then these little tabs right here, there's 2 of them right here. So this is what you're looking at. At the top, they screw off with your hand, which is these. They go in there, screw that off, 1, 2, and then you got them little pop out little tabs I just showed you. One right there, one right there, and then one here, one there, and that's it. Then you have your tail light. The sequential tail light. So that's the end of the video. Thank y'all for tuning in. All right, I'm out.